Lost access to your Deepseek AI projects because you forgot your password? Don't worry, getting back in is simpler than you think. Our first step is to head over to the Deepseek AI login page. Look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. This is usually located directly below the password input field. Click on it to begin the recovery process. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Deepseek AI account. This is the email address you used when you first created your account. Type it in carefully, and then click the Send Reset link or a similar button. Now, check your email inbox. Deepseek AI will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your primary inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the provided password reset link. This link is your secure gateway to creating a new password. Be aware that these links often have an expiration time for security reasons. You'll now be directed to a page to create your new password. Choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's good practice to avoid easily guessable information. After entering your new password, confirm it in the second field. Once you've done that, click the Reset Password or Save New Password button. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Deepseek AI password. You can now return to the login page and access your AI resources and projects with your new credentials.